welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka Rajan. Today we are going to learn about the functions of the human resource management. I have given the most important 8 functions of the human resource management in this video. Okay viewers, let's get into the topic. The first function is the job design and job analysis. It is one of the foremost function of the HRM. The HR has to prepare the job description which describes the duties, responsibilities and operation of the job to hire the right candidate. It also describes about the job requirements such as skills, qualification and work experience, etc. The second function is employee hiring and selection. Here, in employee hiring and selection, the HR role is to hire and retain the qualified employees to achieve the goals and the objective of the company. It is important that the HR should hire the right employees out of the list of applicants. There are several steps involved in the hiring and selection process. The first step actually is to source and identify the ideal candidates for the interview and selection. And then the second step is the candidates are subjected to screening process to filter out the most suitable candidate from the pool of applicants. And the third step is the screened candidates are then taken to the different interview rounds to test and analyze their skills and knowledge and work experience required for the job position. And finally, once the interview process are completed, the candidates get selected and provided with the job offer. The third function is the employee training and development. In this, the HR has to impart proper training and right development of the onboarded candidates. It is the HR role to ensure that whether the new employees acquire the company specific knowledge and the skills to perform their task efficiently. The fourth function is the compensation and benefits. In this, the HR has to establish the equal and the fair remuneration for everyone. The role of the HRM is to formulate the attractive compensation and benefit to attract more employees into the workplace. Actually, it is known that the level of the employee satisfaction at work is directly proportional to the compensation and benefits they receive. When the employees get satisfied with the rewards and recognition of the organization, they automatically get motivated and engage in their activities. The fifth function is the employee performance management. In this, the HR has to ensure that the employees are productive and meet the goals and the objective of the organization. Actually, the performance management does not just focus on the performance of the employees alone. It also focuses on the performance of the team, department and the organization as a whole. The HR department get real-time feedback and conduct the performance reviews based on monthly or quarterly to discuss the positive and the improvement area of the employees. And then they formulate a proper exit interviews process to understand why the experienced employees choose to leave the company, and they have to decide a proper appraisal and compensation system that recognizes and rewards the employees for their efforts and hard work. The sixth function is the managerial relation. Here, the HR has to determine the daily target and how to mobilize the workforce. Usually, the relationship in employments are divided into two parts. They are the managerial relation and labor relation. While labor relations is mainly about the relationship between the employee and the company, whereas the manager relationship deals with the relationship between the various processes in the organization. The seventh function is the labor relations. Here, the HR has to provide proper rules, regulation and policies about labor relations. It is essential that to maintain a harmonious relationship between the employees at the workplace, because in an organization, many employees work together towards a single objective. However, everyone is different from one another in the characteristics. So, it may raise a problem or issues or disputes in an organization. So, the HR role is to frame the proper rules and regulations and policies about the labor relations. The eighth function is the employee engagement and communication. In this, if an employee has the higher level of engagement, it will increase the productivity and also provide the greater employment satisfaction. If the HR efficiently manages the employment engagement activity in an organization, it will automatically improve the employee retention rates too. In the previous video, I have said that the communication is the most important skill which is needed for the HR manager. So, I have given a chart here where the quality of the internal communication is low, the employee engagement is also low. When the quality of the internal communication is high, the employee engagement is also high. Where the employee engagement and the communication is also has a relation. So we should be very transparent in our communication to the employees. I have given the other two functions of HRM also, which is health and safety regulation. Another one is personal support for employees. In health and safety regulations, the HR team has to lay out the proper health and safety regulation to every employees and ensure that every employee should mandatorily follow the health and safety regulation laid by the authorities. The another one is personal support for employees. The HR also provides the personal support for employees because during this pandemic, many employees need extra time off or medical assistance, whether in the form of insurance or in the form of extra leaves. Okay, we came to the end of the video. Here I have given a quote which is said by the Hilbert Hubbard about the human resource. One machine can do the work of 50 ordinary men. No machine can do the work of one extraordinary man. Okay viewers, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have learned something about the functions of the human resource management. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please comment in the comment section.